Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about bias function. With this function we can compare two data in order if it's biased or not. Before that I have to install a package which name is SimDesign, so I have to install that package. You should type here install packages and type here SimDesign. SimDesign and run this. And now it's ready to run, so I just come here. I have to load this. Library, and I just type here SimDesign and run this. So after this, now I can use the bias function. So here you can see I have two data bias. I just type here pretest comma and post test. So I just select this and run. You can see here the answer is 164. It means it's biased. So if it's 0, if it's not. So I want to repeat this. Another example, I just type here, for example, the actual daily income or daily income equal to so it's the daily income for a week. So I want to find that daily income for the next week. For example, in next week daily income, I would predict it would be so here I want to find out if it's bias or not. Bias, and here day income comma next week income, and I run this. Now you can see it's bias. It's the answer is -2. It's near to 0, so it's pretty good compared to the first one. So that's it about bias. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.